Put it back. Put it back. You gotta eat like a big girl.
Uh-oh.
You can put it back.
I can't pull back. I can't pull back, Mommy. I can't pull back.
Okay, let's fix it. Here, let me see. Well, now you're just gonna have to eat it like that. Did you just wipe your hand? She just wiped her hand on baby brother. Layla, say hi to Grandma.
I say goodbye.
No, say hi. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say I love you, Grandma. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. Say, I miss you, Grandma. Can you say, I miss you, Grandma? Can you?
Miss you.
Oh, that's so nice.
Come here. Come here.
Oh. And here's Ben. He's like freaking out for some reason. I don't even know if you can see him, but he wants Layla. He loves his big sister.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Okay. I think it's time to go.